Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about Dianthus Frosty, which is a delightful perennial that brings a soft, elegant charm to garden beds, borders, and containers. With its silvery blue foliage and delicate fringe white flowers, tinged with just a kiss of blush pink, this variety is as frosty and refreshing as its name suggests. It's compact, tidy, and blooms in gentle ways, making it a favorite among those who love understated beauty with long-lasting impact. One cool fact about Frosty is that it's not just a looker, it's also incredibly fragrant. The flowers emit a sweet, clove-like scent that's especially noticeable in the early morning or late afternoon. That aroma, combined with its easy care, makes it a perfect plant for sensory gardens, walkways, or spots close to where you sit and unwind. Dianthus Frosty stays fairly low to the ground, usually under a foot tall, and spreads slowly to form a soft mat of foliage topped by upright bloom spikes. The fine evergreen leaves add visual interest even when the plant isn't in bloom, but once spring and summer hit, those pristine flowers start appearing and they keep coming with proper deadheading. It's one of those plants that always looks crisp and clean even when other flowers start fading in the heat. Growing this beauty is a breeze. It thrives in full sun, well-draining soil, preferring slightly alkaline conditions but tolerating a range of garden soils as long as it doesn't stay wet. Overwatering is one of those few things that can set it back, so it's perfect for gardeners who tend to forget a watering day here and there. Good airflow and a bit of afternoon shade in very hot climates will keep it blooming longer and reduce the risk of mildew. You can pair Frosty with other cool tone perennials like lavender and catmint, or contrast it with bold reds and deep purples like salvia or coreopsis. It also shines alongside ornamental grasses and looks fantastic when tucked along stone pathways, rock gardens, or in front of flower beds. In the edible garden or herb bed, Dianthus can serve as a gentle companion to herbs like rosemary and thyme. Though not a heavy-duty pest repellent, its clove scent can help deter some insects, and its edible petals can be used as beautiful garnishes in salads, desserts, or even frozen into ice cubes for drinks. Just make sure they haven't been sprayed with chemicals and you're good to go. Medicinally, Dianthus has a mild history in folk medicine, often used in teas and tonics and in various cultures to aid with digestion or as a gentle mood lifter. While this isn't a plant you typically grow for a potent herbal use, its pleasant scent and edible flowers offer subtle wellness benefits through aromatherapy and presentation. Propagation is easy for cuttings or by division in early spring or fall, and like many Dianthus varieties, Frosty can reseed lightly under the right conditions. Just trim it back after blooming to encourage new growth and more flowers. For gardeners looking to add clean, refreshing presence to their space, Dianthus Frosty delivers all the elegance of a classic cottage flower with the reliability of a modern perennial. It's low maintenance, highly fragrant, and adaptable. Proof that simple beauty often leaves the longest impression. Thanks for tuning in today's plant profile. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more plant videos.